Hey, hello everyone, welcome back. So we are ready to use now the build command to create a transaction. And believe me, you will love the build command. It is very powerful, simplify things a lot, and let's explore it. So again, we have Cardano CLI transaction build this time. And again, this is, let me just expand this a little bit. So again, there are a lot of options that we will later explore, but for now we are just creating a simple transaction. So we just want inputs, outputs, and that's it. No other stuff. So it will take transaction input. We cannot get rid of that. It could take transaction output, but also this beautiful option that this command presents, which is change address. And you will see in a minute why I love this option so much. Let me just clear this screen, bring our, what's the plan here? So we have payment address, it still has 4,999 ADA plus some Lovelas, and we're going to send that to our payment with a stake address. So we're going to send all the funds to payment with a stake. Right? So let me just copy this and show you what we're going to do now. So we want to Cardano CLI transaction build, Babbage era, testnet magic 2. We're going to say that this is a transaction input using our same method as before. We're going to use payment address as our input, but this time we are going to use change address, this option. And we're going to use it in a very different way, because what was change address created for? So that you don't have to calculate actually how much ADA you need to send to your own address when after sending the ADA to the recipient and paying transaction fees, right? But in this situation, what I am going to do is I'm going to use it to actually make sure that I send every Lovelas out of that address to payment with a stake after paying the transaction fees. So this is a nice way to take advantage of this option. So we only specify transaction input, and we are saying with this, send everything after transaction fees to payment with a stake. And that's it. And now we create the txdo.raw. And it says this is the price of this transaction. As before, we just sign. And finally, we just submit the transaction to the chain, and we can now simply query the UTXO of payment with a stake address, wait again for a couple of minutes, and there you go. Now we have two UTXOs, the original 5,000 ADA plus the 4,999 ADA that we just sent. So as you can see, there is a huge difference in complexity when using build raw versus build. So there is a clear benefit on using build raw, the build command. And from here, I think we have covered this section. So the previous video took 16 or something minutes. This one took probably less than 5. So that's the power of build command. So thank you very much. See you in the next video where we are going to actually do more fun stuff. Now we have all the funds in payment with a stake. So this address that has a delegation part and a payment part. And having a delegation part means that we can't delegate. So in our next video, what we're going to do is first register our stake address and then delegate to a stake pool, and another opportunity for us to build another transaction and another kind of transaction. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you there.